Hi, we're back, and this is grade time 4, Unit 12, Part 2. And Part 2, videos Part 2 and video Part 3 are closely related, okay, because they're going to be talking about phrasal verbs. So vocabulary phrasal verbs and grammar phrasal verbs, video number 3, the next video. First of all, what are phrasal verbs? Have you ever heard of this main phrasal verb? So in the article that we read on page 111, there were lots of phrasal verbs, and you're going to analyze each one of them, all right? But before we go to the article, I want to show you a definition of a phrasal verb. According to our grammar document, the grammar explanation that we have in our books, a phrasal verb is the combination of a verb, so the combination of, let me emphasize here, combination of a verb with a preposition. So it's a verb plus a preposition or an adverb. This creates a new verb that often has a meaning that is completely different from the verb alone. For example, if you look at the verb look, look is to use your eyes in order to see something. Look is to use your eyes. But if we combine look and the preposition after, look after, it means something completely different, which means to take care of someone or something. For example, you should look after your baby. You should take care, you should watch your baby. So phrasal verbs are very frequent in both spoken and written English. Okay? So you're going to listen to phrasal verbs all the time. And it's very, very common. And how can I learn them? It's only by repetition and repetition and listening and using in different contexts. Okay? So that's the only way. There isn't a magic formula for you to memorize all the phrasal verbs. I myself, know lots of phrasal verbs, but it's only a matter of repetition. I learned by repetition, and it's going to happen the same with you. Okay? So let's take a look at some phrasal verbs that you could take from that text on page 111. To be easy to notice. So this is the meaning of this phrasal verb, to be easy to notice. And the phrasal verb is to stand out. Look at this example. We sometimes think that most first or early memories are about very stressful things that happen to us as children because bad things stand out in our minds. So they are easy to notice. They are more emphasized, okay? I can say that, I could see that George stands out in the middle of the crowd because he's wearing a flashy yellow t-shirt. So he stands out. Everybody can notice him. All right. Next one. Be happy or excited about a future event. And this phrasal verb is to look forward to. We can surely look forward to more fascinating discoveries about memories in the near future. Look forward to is to be excited about something that is going to happen in the future. Another example, I'm looking forward to my birthday. Okay, so I'm excited about it. To tell a lie about something. This is to make up. For example, no, that never happened to me. Did children make up their early memories, or were they forgotten? So did children invent? They are telling a lie about this, or they were forgotten? So here's to make up is to invent or to tell a lie about something. Another example is, don't make up any excuse for not coming to my party, okay? So don't invent or don't tell a lie about it. Next one, investigate or examine the facts about a situation. So the researchers are now looking into the question of why children remember certain events and not others. So when you are investigating, when you are examining facts about a situation, you are looking into that situation. Okay? This is usually what happens with detectives and the police. They are looking into the case of the missing diamonds, for example. All right? Number 5. Come to meet someone and take them somewhere. This is very, very common in English. When you're going to pick up someone to take this person to another place. So look at the example from the text. We couldn't move and I cried. Finally, Grandma came to pick us up, came to get us and take us to another place. For example, another sentence could be, oh, my mom always picks me up at school after class at around 12. To pick me up, to take me with the car home, take me home, all right? Number 6. Use air to stop something burning. This is very common when you say blow out the candles. You have like a birthday cake in front of you and then you blow out the candle. So use the air to extinguish the fire. My first memory in my second birthday, there was a cake with 2 candles and I couldn't blow the candles out, so my dad did it for me. Okay, I couldn't so blow out the candles or blow the candles out. All right. To stop working, it's referring here to an engine, the engine of a car or of a car. So I was maybe 4. We were driving to our grandma's and our car broke down. So it stopped working, broke down. So usually we can use this in the context of a car or a motorcycle. Okay? Understand, find the answer to. This is very, very common. Yeah, which is figure out. The researchers are trying to figure out why this is the case. When you're trying to figure out the solution for a problem, you're trying to understand, you're trying to find the answer to that problem. So figure out, try to understand something in your mind. Okay? Another one. Okay, so we have 8 here from the text. Okay, so we have figure out, we have breakdown, we have blow out, we have pick up, look into, make up, look forward to, and stand out. All right? Now it's your turn. You're going to do exercise 2 on your books. I'll give you some minutes for you to do it. Pause the video now and do exercise number 2. Okay, so we're back for the correction of the activity or the exercise number 2. The first one, the wind blew the candles out on my birthday cake. So here, when you blow out, there is this wind and it extinguishes the fire. Okay? The concert is tomorrow. I'm really it. Which one is this? Which ones? Understand, find the answer, stop working, use the air, come to meet someone and take them somewhere, investigate, tell a lie. Number 2, be happy or excited about the future event. In this case, the concert. So look forward to. So here we have the concert is tomorrow. I'm really looking forward to it. So I'm really excited about the concert. And here you have to use ing. I'm really looking forward to. Number 2, Mom was driving to work when her car stopped working. The engine was like this. So what is the phrasal verb? When her car starts with B. Broke down. Yeah, so she was driving to work when her car broke down, stopped working. Number 3, there was a bank robbery last Saturday. The police are investigating examining the things. So they are looking into it. Number 4. She's our best player. She really on the soccer field. So what is here? So everybody can notice her. Everybody can see her because she's the best. So what is the phrasal verb? Starts with S. She really stands out on the soccer field. Everybody can notice. Okay. Number 5. This question is really difficult. I can't the answer. So how can I say using your things, your mind to solve a problem or a situation? Starts with F. I can't figure out the answer. Okay? Number 6. Sorry, I can't you at the station. Can you take a taxi? So I can't go at the station with my car to take you to another place. So what is this verb? This phrasal verb starts with P. Yes, pick you up at the station. And number 7, have you ever an excuse to explain why you didn't do your homework? So when you invent an excuse or a lie or something, you make up, and here you have to use made up because have you ever made up an excuse to explain why you didn't do your homework? Okay, so we have several phrasal verbs, and the only way for you to memorize them is by reading and doing exercises and seeing those phrasal verbs in different sentences. Okay, so that's the only way. And just to remember, it's a verb plus a preposition or an adverb. Okay, so this is the end of part 2, video number 2. See you in the next video. Bye bye.